Histamine is one of 20 amino acids, and it is high in people who have allergies. Maybe you or someone you know has seasonal allergies in the spring or the fall, and maybe you've taken something like Claritin or Allegra or Zyrtec or Zyzal or Benadryl that lowers histamine. Those can be helpful, but there can be even a bigger problem called histamine intolerance. So let's talk about that, what it is, and what we can do about it today. So, in histamine intolerance, there is an imbalance between the production of histamine and the degradation of histamine. And we degrade histamine with an enzyme called DAO. This enzyme is made in the gut. So, if you have an unhealthy gut, too much bad inflammatory bacteria in the gut, you can have a problem with the breakdown of histamine, which can lead to histamine intolerance. So, what are the symptoms of histamine intolerance? Well, there can be a lot of them, and some of them are your typical allergy symptoms you would think about, and some are a little bit seemingly more serious. So, with histamine intolerance, you can have skin reactions, things like hives, itching, flushing. You can have digestive issues, things like diarrhea, nausea, heartburn, and bloating. You can actually have neurologic symptoms like headaches and dizziness and anxiety. You can have some cardiovascular complaints like palpitations or low blood pressure, some respiratory symptoms like nasal congestion or sneezing, or even some shortness of breath, and even hormonal symptoms, things like irregular menstrual periods, hot flashes, and PMS. So histamine intolerance is a big deal. And like everything in functional medicine, the key is to fix the root cause. Usually the root cause with histamine intolerance is the gut, what's living in the gut, and cleaning up the inflammation of the gut so that we can have healthy DAO production and we can break down our histamine properly. Um, Other things you can do to support histamine intolerance is you can take a DAO enzyme and see if that helps your symptoms. You can try a low histamine diet temporarily to see if that helps the symptoms. And as always, with everything when it comes to health, minimizing stress can make a big, big difference as well. Everybody has stress. We aren't going to avoid it, just like toxins. They're here. We have to learn how to manage them. And managing stress does a lot for your overall health as well. So I hope this helps. Histamine intolerance is a real thing, causes lots of symptoms. It's not easily diagnosed in conventional medicine, but the key is getting the roots healthy. And the specific root we need to get healthy if we have histamine intolerance is the gut.